Hello guys, I'm Aluposha Enoch and welcome to my ICT tutorial on document production. In today's session, I'll be working on the paper 2 May June 2020 ICT 0417 IGCSE past papers. Okay, so let's take a look at the tax 1 evidence document. So open the file J2120 evidence.rtf. Make sure that your name, center number and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area as J2120 evidence followed by your candidate number. For example, J2120 evidence 999. You will need to place screenshot in this evidence document. So guys, I'll go ahead now. Before now, I have created my work area. So here is it. I created it on desktop. So this is the evidence document. So I'll right click and open. Okay, so and I have it here. Okay, and then let me go to the information given by the examiner. To save the document and using this name. Okay, and I'll just add my candidate number, which is a 4-digit number. So let me do that now. This is my evidence document, so go to save. Okay, so save as word document. Okay, then I'll just add my candidate number to the back, and that is 1010. Okay, so then I will save it in my work area here. So save. So that's good. So let me go to the next question now. Tax 2. Okay, let me just take this yellow. Then tax 2 now. So tax 2. You are going to edit a report. The company used a corporate house style for all its documents. One paragraph style has been created and applied. Additional paragraph style must be created and applied to the report as instructed. Open the file j2120mtb.rtf. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 cm margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using. Okay, so I'll go let me just copy this name. I'll use this name to save it. So let me locate J2120 mtb in my work area. Okay, so this is my okay, so let's check the mtb. So okay, so this is mtb. So just right click and open, or better still open with. Okay, so I'm going to open with Microsoft Office Word. Then I'll go ahead and save it. So let me just, this is too large, let me just make it 100 the resolution. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So I'm to save it now. So save as. I'm using Office Word, so I'm going to save it um, with this name copied. Ctrl V, and make sure that save type, your format is Word document, not rich text file. Okay, so I can save in there now. So let me go to the next question then. So the next question says that I should place in your evidence document place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of this file. So let me go to my work area now. I think it's here already. So the one I just saved now. So here is it, and make sure that the type is, for example, you can have something like this. So make sure that you expand this such that you have it like this. Then I'll take screenshots now. I think I need to activate my light shot. I'm sorry about that. I would like to use light shot to complete all my savings. So okay, so let me go back to that. So I'll just click print screen. Then I can take it. Let me just take from here. I can make it a little bit smaller and it's okay. So I can just use this arrow to show that okay, this is it's okay. So J2120 evidence 1010 today's date. Microsoft Office Word document. So I will copy and place as the first evidence in my evidence document. So step one, evidence one, Control V. So that's okay there. Okay, I don't know why it's taking time to do that. Okay, so that's okay. So let me go back to the question now. So the next question says that's question two. Place in the header, place in the header your name, center number, and candidate number left aligned, automated page number right aligned. So in the header, so let me go ahead and insert header in my document now. So go to insert, then I will choose header. So and I will take this one with 3 column. Then here I'm going to type my name, Aloko Shayo Enoch, comma, my center number is NG 101 and my candidate number is 1010. So I don't need this middle one here because I was place um to place what there, right align page number, automated page number. So let's place automated page number there. To do that, just go to quick paths, then click field, and then just click on press P on your keyboard, then you have page, then you can take this very first one. Okay, so you have automated page number. Now close this. So if you scroll down, you see that I have my name, center number, candidate number, and the page number on all the pages displayed here. So let's continue with the question now. So next question here is that make sure that all the alignments match the page margin. No text, no other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer area. Headers are displayed on all pages. So I confirmed that before now. So question number 3 now. Sorry about that, guys. So question number 3 says that I should create and store the following style, basing each on the default paragraph style. Okay, so our style specifications. So the first style name is MB title. Let me just delete this because I would like to copy this name and to use it to create my style. So guys, to create new style, just go back to your document and come here to style menu, this arrow here, click. Then you see this icon here, new style, just click it. Then the first name, I copied it already, I'll just press Ctrl V and that's it. So what I'm going to do here is I will just let me see the first front star is sans serif. Don't forget that sans serif is that is sans serif. Anyway, then I'll go for announcement, that is bold. Then the font size is 36, so area 36 bold. Okay, so let's do that now. Just type a here, area 36. Then I'll go for the enhancement, which is bold. You cannot check this underline. Okay, so then to complete the remaining style, go to format and take paragraph. Then now let me take a look at the alignment. So center single 00, center single 00. So center, so this should be single, the line spacing is single, and spacing before and after is 00. So everything is okay. So you can confirm, yes, font is area 36 point bold, no underline, line spacing is single, and space after before 00. So you just click OK. So I've successfully created the first style now, which is MB title. So let me check the next style name. So that is MB subhead. So I'll copy it. So I have sans serif 18 and italic underline, sans serif 18 italic underline, sans serif 18 italic underline. So come here to this icon again, new style. So I'll just paste the style name. So sans serif area, let me check again. I think it's 18 italic underline. So uncheck this one, take this and this 18 here. Then so go to format to complete the enhance the remaining one, alignment etc. So so the alignment center, then 06. So here center 06, centered, okay, 06. 066, I need 6 here after, okay, center 06. Okay, so okay, then before you okay here, confirm font is 18, not bold, italic, underline, space after is 6, and everything is okay. That is MB title, right? MB subhead, this MB subhead, so this MB subhead, okay, that's okay. Let me go to the next one. So body, MB body, so copy it. So serif is time new roman, and uh, that will be 12, and no enhancement. So sans serif, so time new roman and 12, no enhancement. So let me go there and come here, create new style, then I can paste the control V. So the format here is let me just click here, time, TIM. Okay, so this is it now. Let me check again. Couldn't cram it, huh? 12 and no enhancement. Okay, so here is 12. Then click format to complete the remaining format. Okay, so the alignment is justify single 06. So justify single 06, so it's okay. You also confirm here, time new roman 12, justify. I think I put single 06 there. Let me confirm that. For some reason I can't just see that. So go back to the paragraph. 06, okay, I think it's okay. So okay, also okay, so I'm good with that now. So let's continue with the question. So this says that I should evidence to place in your evidence document a screenshot to show how that the style settings have been defined for MB subhead style. Make sure this style is based on the default paragraph style. So I will go ahead and take the screenshot evidence of the settings for MB subhead. So let me go back to my style. So this is my style manager. So this is MB subhead. Right click on it, okay, and modify. So when you click modify, then you'll be able to access the settings. So I can take my print screen now, and you can see it is 18, not bold, italic, underline, space after, before, etc. So just copy, set okay here now, so I can place my evidence here now. So that's evidence 2, place here. I think everything is okay. So FB sub edge center, okay, everything is okay. So let me go to the next question now. The next question says that display these custom style names as a list in the style manager organizer. Provide screenshot evidence on this list. So I'm going to take screenshot of my style manager now, and that is what I'm to do here. So can I make this smaller? I don't know. Let me just take the screenshot like that. So I'll take it from, it's just, you can just take this one. I don't know whether we should just take everything. Okay, so copy, then I'll go to my evidence document, and that is evidence 3. So I'm going to place it here. I will not be careful to be adjusting this because of my time, and in order to complete this session very fast. So I think I'll just leave it like that, guys. You just make sure that you adjust and everything is okay. So I can bring this step 6 down here. I think that's a cool one. So let's go to the next question now. So the next question now, at the start of the document, I think I need not to do this again. At the start of the document, enter the title, mountain bike study. So let me just copy this at the start of the document. So I'm going to paste that. So this is the start of the document. So make sure that your cursor is placed here, then just hit enter key, then up arrow, then control V to paste. So I have that. So the next question now says that apply MB title style to this text. So I'm going to apply MB title to this text. So just copy it and MB title, this MB title apply. So it's okay. Okay, so let me continue the question now. The next question here, that is question 6. Enter your name immediately after the subtitle revised by. So let me look at the subtitle revised by. So I'm going to enter my name here now. Aloko Shayo, Enoch. Okay, so that's a good one. So let me continue my question. um, the style name MB subtitle has already been created, stored and applied to the subtitle text. Modify the MB subtitle style so only the following format is applied. So I'm going to modify subtitle style and use this style format. So go to subtitle, subtitle, this is subtitle, right click on subtitle and modify. Okay, so let me check again. Subtitle, right? So sans serif, that is area 18. So area 18 italic, area 18 italic. So area 18 italic, not underline, italic. Okay, then let me go back and see. No enhance, okay, enhancement is italic and single 00. So single 00. So format, then go to paragraph. So this should change to single, then I have 00 here. Then now let me look at the alignment. Alignment is right, so it's right aligned. So I should make this one right aligned, not center, right. Okay, so click OK now. So click OK. See now area 18 points, italic, right align, and everything is okay. Okay, so let me go to the question now. So what am I to do now? Place in your evidence document a screenshot of this style settings for MB subtitle style. So I supposed to have taken the screenshot before closing it, so I'm sorry about that. Subtitle style, let me modify so that I can take screenshots. Go to format and go to paragraph, then I can take screenshots of the completed tasks. Can I confirm if I'm right? 00, is that true? Single italic 18. I think everything is okay. So clean screen now, so I can take the screenshot here and copy. So that will be evidence what. So to my evidence document, okay, everything is okay. So I can go back to my evidence document now. That's evidence 4. Control V. So let me continue my task now. So that was good. So question 7, apply MB body. Am I to apply that? Modify the software solely the follow up. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, apply the MB body style to the rest of the documents. Okay, so for some reason modify the subtitle style so that only the following format apply. Please scene for the MB style. Okay, modify. For some reason I'm thinking I will see something whereby I'm going to apply that. Okay, so MB body to the rest of the document now. Okay, MB body to the rest of the document, that is from here down. So I'm going to apply MB body. This is MB body here applied. Oh, then there's problem with my MB body, so I probably made some mistakes. Okay, modify. So MB body not underline, time new roman 12. Let me check the format. Okay, let me check now. So my MB body now, let me go back and check that now. So MB body should be serif 12 justify single, serif 12 justify single, serif 12 justify single 06. I think everything is okay now. And what about the announcement? um Justify. Okay, okay, so everything should be okay now. Okay, so everything is okay now. Okay, everything is okay, so thank God. I don't know, should I just press Ctrl save so that I will not fall into such kind of trouble again? Okay, so let me go back to the next question now. Apply square shape bullets to the test from. I'm going to copy this increase cardiovascular fitness. So I'm going to apply square bullets from here to level anxiety and depression. So let me go back to my document now. So just press Control F to find. Okay, then place the test there and find where that information is. So that's it. So from what have I done? Thank God. Okay, so now from here, from this to depression, then apply what to it? Bullet. This is you see it now, and it's a square. This one here. So that's a good one. So let me go back to the question. Make sure that the bullets are indented 2 centimeters from the left margin with the hanging index applied if test wrapped to a second line. Okay, let me just do this now. Indented 12 centimeters from the left margin, 2 centimeters, rather 2 centimeters from the left margin. So indented 2 centimeters from the, so just go to paragraph. This is indentation 2 centimeters. Okay, so then let me check again what else. 2 centimeters from the left with a hanging index applied if the test strap. So hanging, so this is hanging. Okay, so no problem about that. What else again? um the list is in single line spacing with no space between the lines. So single line with no space in between, so I can make this one 0, and I think this is okay. Then what else? There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. After the last item in the list, so the last item in the list here is reduce stress level, anxiety and depression. So here I should have 6 now. Okay, so go back to paragraph, and you can change after to 6. Okay, so you can see it comes down like that. I think it's okay. So let's continue the question. So question question 9. Question 9. Identify 5 subhead in the document and apply MB subhead. So MB subhead. So I'm sorry about that. I'm going to apply MB subhead to. So this is the first one, global markets. MB subhead. Oh, for some reason I don't know what is going on. 5 subhead document applied MB subhead. So what's MB subhead? So MB subhead should be sans serif 18 center. So let me go ahead and change that. Okay, MB subhead sans serif 18. Then what about the announcement? Let me check any announcement here. MB subhead, and subhead is italic underline, announcement italic underline. Then let me go to paragraph and check the alignment. So the alignment is MB subhead center single osis, center single O6. Okay, okay, so it should be okay now, so I can continue. I'm applying this now. So this is the second one, demographic. Apply MB subhead. Then the next one, which is the third one, health benefits, apply MB sub ed. Then the fourth one, which is competitive reason, apply the MB sub ed. Then the last one, which is the fifth one, according to the examiner instruction, mountain biking tourism, MB sub ed. So everything is okay. So let's go back to the question now. So sometimes, guys, you just need to be careful and confirm that all your style settings actually appropriate. Okay, so we are good there. So change the page layout so that the subhead global market growth and all following text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between the column. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that now. So from the very first subhead, which is global market, just highlight and select all. Okay, then I will go to page layout, then take columns, then go to more columns. Then I can take two here. Then let me look at the spacing again, one or two. So I'm to two width. Okay, with a 1 centimeter spacing. So 1 centimeter spacing. So this should go to back to one. Or I'm increasing it. I should reduce it. So that's okay. Is there any other information? Okay, I think that's all. So I can click OK now. So that is the result of that. So you can scroll up to see the effect. Okay, I think everything is okay. So next question now. Locate and copy the sentence one reason many people. So let me copy it and end in adventure so that it appears as a new paragraph after the text mental and emotional health. Mental and emotional health after mental and emotional health. So Control F to find, then Control V to paste, then I'll find that. Okay, so I think it's okay, you can go now. So it should end in adventure accordingly. So this one here, then I will now go ahead and locate what I'm going to locate mental and emotional health. So let me copy this one again. So Control find mental and emotional. I think with that I should be able to find it. Yes, thank God. So that's good. So after this now, place your cursor here, enter key and Control V to paste that. I think there's a full stop there. Okay, so the next question, using the data in the file j2120 growth.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the forecast growth of country cross-country event only for the year 2020 to 2023. So I'll go back to my work area and look for this csv file growth. Okay, so let me go back to my work area now. So growth, yes, growth here, growth come out here is csv, this is it. So you can double click to open. So what am I to do with that? Why is opening? Let me check. To you can close this one. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, so the first thing I would like to do is just to explore this and make sure that everything fits into the cell accordingly. So then next I want to create what with that, create a vertical bar chart to show the forecast growth of cross-country event only. Cross-country, guys, you have to notice this, cross-country event only. So let me check where is cross-country event there. So you say that the data we have downhill, cross-country and so on, but we need just this data. So just here, this data from 2020 to 2023. So select this all I need to create my vertical bar chart. So click insert, then column, then take this first one 2D. Okay, so this what is required, but the problem I have with this is that my horizontal label shouldn't be 1 2 3. It should be what? It should be 2020 to 2023. So I'm going to format that axis accordingly. So just click this, and right click and go to format axis. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Then I think that's not the right thing to do. Okay, right click on it again and select it first, then right click and okay, format axis. Okay, let's select data. Okay, good, select data, so I can edit this now. So I will now take 2020 to 2023. Yes, correct. Thank God. So okay, so it's okay now, it's okay. So I have this is the vertical bar chart now, so that's very good. So then label the chart with title. So I'm going to label it with this title. Let me copy this. And what else am I to do? Format the value axis scale. Oh, okay, so let me just do this label first. Okay, so you can click on your chart. It's okay. Let's just take chart layout with vertical title, horizontal title, and the major title. So let's look at the one that will give us the best. Yes, layout 9 will give us that. So you can now edit each one now and just control V here. So that's cool. So what's the next question now? So I'm to format the value axis scale to display title, number of events. So let me do that again. Number of events. Go back to my chart. So here you can delete backspace and control V. So click outside the chart. Then what else? And this says that okay, now I'm to do a maximum value should be 900 and sorry, minimum value should be 900, maximum value is 10,500 and increment is 250. Okay, if I go to, let's check the original chart. This is 1000, 10,040. So let's format this now. So right click on this and go for format axis. So this one I'm to change it to what? That is the minimum, 900, then 10,050. This is 10,050. So let me change this one to 900 first. Sorry, 9,000, better still. And this is 10,500. 9,000, then 10,500. Then what is the increment? The increment is 250. So I'll change this one here to 250. 250. So I hope everything is okay. So close. So if, what have I done? Control Z. Let me format again. Oh, okay, let me format again. Format axis. Okay, I choose 100 here. It's meant to be 250. 250. It's okay now. It's okay now. Okay, so you see that the minimum is 9,000 and the increment is 250. 9,250, 9,500 like that, and the maximum is 10,500. So everything is okay. I can click outside now and let's go back to the question we have here. So question 15. Display only the value as data label above each bar. um do not display category axis, title, or legend. So I'm going to delete the legend and the horizontal title there. Then I'm to do data label. Okay, sorry about that. I'm to go back to my chart. So let me just click on one there and then right click, and you see add data label here. Then take this one, delete, and this legend, this is legend, so delete. So I think everything is okay now. Let me go back to my question now. Okay, so insert the chart after the graph ending with number of country events. So let me check this. Where is it? Number of country events. Go back to my document. Control F to find, then Control V to paste, then find where that information is. Okay, so I'm going to place my chart immediately after this column. So just hit enter key. So let me go ahead and copy the chart now. Guys, if you don't mind, I can just change the, I think I just like to use something like this. It's cool for me, so I can copy it now. It's just the style. Okay, so then I'll go back to my stuff here now, so I'll place it here. So control V. So control V, I think everything is okay now. So let's see where the chart is it cool? So let me just work on this because no test wrap. I can go home and change that to I think it's 12. Yeah, then I don't know if I can increase this. I think it's okay. It's okay like this. So if you look at it now, if you look at this, it's aligned. It's aligned to, so that's what everything is okay. It aligns to it, and all the information is okay. So let's go back to the question now. So now import the image j2120 rider.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning most rays most rays are organized. So I'm going to place that logo rider there. So let me look for that um rider. Okay, so control F, then control V, then find it. Okay, so that's a good one. So here I'm going to place my logo here. So go to insert, picture, and I will navigate to my work area, that's desktop. Then this um yes, this is it here. Okay, so this is the rider logo. Insert. Okay, that's a good one. So what will I do with that? Crop the image to remove the top third, and that is most of the sky above the cloud, and format the image so that, okay, let me just do the cropping first. So I will remove the third part of it such that I will crop off the sky above the cloud. Okay, so go back to my document. So yeah, so this is where is crop, this is crop, click, then I'll bring this thing down to like a third of it, but I can still have information, like I think this like a third of it. Okay, so then what next am I to do? The question. So crop the image to did that already, and resize to the width 3.5. It aligns to the left of the column and top of the paragraph starting most reasons are organized. Then the text wrap around the image. So let me do the size 3.5. So this is the width here, 3.5, enter. Oh sorry, select it again. Oh, select it okay, control A. Okay, so 3.5. Okay, then I will now do test wrap. I can take tights. Okay, everything is okay now. So let me go back to the question now. So everything here is cool. Question 18 now. Format the paragraph that starts research as shown. Okay, here, copy, so that it is indented 1 centimeter from both the left and the right column. So let me look for that, then indent 1 centimeter both from left and right. So control F to find where that text is, control V to paste, and find. Sorry about that. Okay, can you close? Okay, let me check that again. I think I didn't get that question right. um Format the paragraph starts research as shown. Okay, yeah, research as shown. So how come I cannot find it? Word search finish. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry about that. Let me check again. Control F. Research as shown. Find. Okay, so what's going on? Okay, let me check again. Format the paragraph that starts research as shown so that it is okay. I know the mistake. Okay, sorry guys, you know what is going on because I copied with this three dots. Okay, that three dot, I think that's what is that work my it's making my work somehow difficult. Control F. Okay, so just delete these three dots when you're copying shown. Okay, sorry about that. Find. Okay, good, thank God. So I'm going to copy this one down to trip, right? Yeah. So then I don't know, make sure that you don't have space when you want to. I think it's good like this, but I need this dot too. Okay, I think I can just take that. Okay, so let me go back to the question now. So indented 1 centimeter from both left and right. So indented 1 centimeter from both left and right. Go to paragraph. This is indent 1 centimeter. So increase this one to 1 centimeter and right also to 1 centimeter. So I think that's good. Okay, so I have that first. Then what else? Let me take it again now. Okay, so I think it's okay now. Okay, so let's just leave it like that. Our next question says that display an external 3 to 4 points black border. Okay, so I'm going to enclose it in a border now. So do you see this icon here? Bottom border, just click and go to border and shading, and I'm to take between 3 and 4, right? Let me check again. Between 3 and 4. So let's use box. Then width is 3 to 4. So there is no 4 here, so I'll just use 3. Then okay. So that's what we have there. Okay, so next question. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the lists, chart and paragraph with the outside border are not split over columns or page. There are no window or fan, there are no blank pages. Spacing is consistent between all items. Save the document using the file name and format used in step 1. Print the document. Guys, I seem to have hand my 31 marks, but I need to go ahead and proofread and do every other thing. So let's check everything all together. I can close this tile. I'm not sure I need it again. So we check everything is cool. Yeah, everything is cool, right? Okay, so yeah, everything is okay. Yeah, everything is perfect. Okay, so now what I want to do now is just go to review and do spell check. So Rumi, I think that is not, that's a now word. Okay, okay, see the same thing. I can ignore as financed. Enduro, I think that's free ride. I think is okay. I think everything is cool. Guy, everything is cool. So that's a good one. So now guys, let me go back finally and check, save the document, uh file name. Okay, so make sure you print. Oh, so let me just confirm my name, center name, candidate number, and my report, and everything is okay. So the next question with database. So guys, let me just check finally for the last time, and you can see everything is cool. So I have my names, candidates, center number, candidate number, on page 1. And yeah, so that's a good one. This is the chart, perfect. Do I have the logo too? It's cool. So and this cool, everything is okay. Okay guys, okay, so this brings us to the end of our tutorial on document. So guys, in the next tutorial I'll be working on database reports. And before that, guys, let me quickly take you through this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so just click like and subscribe. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video and it's very helpful. Then also you can avail yourself of a lot of videos here. Most videos here are exam style question, IGCSE, IBP, SAT, etc, like that. Then I have videos on mathematics, additional mathematics, ICT coding. I use my codings. Most of my codings I use are Python, MBlock, and Scratch programming. So guys, you can just go ahead and avail yourself and enjoy everything. Guys, much more importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, and click like. Also, immediately after the session, I will upload all the questions and the mass scheme on my test shop here, and also the video also be available. Guys, here you can access a lot of board work and e-learning resources. Okay, maths, ICT, additional maths and coding. Okay, so guys, do well and take good care of yourself. So bye bye, love you guys. Let's end with this note, guys. So let's end with this note. Bye guys, do well and take good care of yourself. Bye.